Hi, I'm Florian.
I'm Manuel. Vega pressure transmitters are used worldwide in different applications. To adjust the pressure transmitters as easy as possible, there are different ways. The first possibility is to use the Blixcom adjustment module. This means just use the push buttons and adjust the pressure transmitter. The second way of adjust a pressure transmitter is to use tablet or smartphone and communicate via Bluetooth with the transmitters.
With the laptop you have two possibilities. You can use Bluetooth or the Vega Connect to communicate with your pressure device. On the laptop you use the Vega DTM to make the adjustment with the sensors. Then you have also the hard handheld. With the hard handheld you can communicate with all hard pressure devices from Vega.
So let's adjust a pressure transmitter via the Blixcom adjustment module. So really easy, just use the, for example, quick setup, just use the buttons and then you will get the questions from the device. So therefore, sensor, tag name. Next question is which application do you have? Do you have a level application or pressure application? Which unit do you want to use? Bar, PSI or the temperature unit which you want to have. Then if you have offset, can really easy adjust it. Then the 4 to 20 milliampere value, so the minimum and the maximum value. And at the end you will get the information successfully completed the adjustment of the pressure transmitters. So this is the way like 80–90% of the applications can be adjusted really easy directly at the pressure transmitters. The second way I want to show you is using your tablet or using your smartphone and connect directly to the transmitter. In this case, Blixcom with the possibility of Bluetooth. So the tablet is searching for the device and now you have here the way of doing it, for example, the same as before. Just choose your application you want to have, for example, process pressure, making the adjustment and really easy adjust your pressure transmitter wireless via tablet.
Now we have connected the Vega Bar 82 via a Vega Connect to the laptop. On the first page of the DTM you can see the quick setup as well as the extended adjustment. Let's go in the extended adjustment. Here we have the same situation like on the tablet. Here we can swap from the application. We go from process pressure to level application and now we have the corresponding picture. Now we go to adjustment and here we have the adjustment page. On the adjustment page we can go for the 0 point and from the 100% point and make the adjustment there. Now we connect the Vega Bar 82 via a hard resistor to the hard handheld. With the hard handheld we have the possibility to work with the generic hard commands. Therefore I make the communication with the device setup and can communicate to the process variables. Therefore I can change the zero span, I can go with the damping time or I have the possibility to make the adjustment of the 4 to 20 milliamp current output. With all the generic hard commands you can fulfill 80% of all your applications and you do not need more adjustments.
Vega Bar Series 80, easy adjustment in all applications.